Massages, who doesn't love them? They make you feel relaxed and like a whole new person. This isn't about general massages though. Today, I'm going to reveal a secret massage trick that can help relieve stress, headaches, and insomnia. Come on, let's go. All you need for this massage trick is your thumb. There's a specific spot on your forehead that when pressed and massaged can have surprising results. Some of you yogis may know of this as your third eye. Let me just find the right spot. Okay, got it. Yeah, there it is. Massage that spot for about 45 seconds. That helps improve circulation, reduce muscle tension, lower stress, and really helps if you're congested. It's like, wow, how amazing. It works. Give it a shot and massage away. Have someone help you to find the ultimate relaxation. I'm Carla and hope you enjoyed this massage trick.